Okay, this is courtesy of Cisco Live. For those who haven't seen this or have not attended lab, this is the web interface that you will get in CCIE lab. For troubleshooting session, you can see the complete topology, 30 devices, as I said. You see the questions and diagrams tab, all questions, troubleshooting guidelines, which the general guidelines to tell you okay, do not use stick route, for example, that's part of the guidelines. And when you open the question, there is a restriction in the question. Maybe they will tell you what when you click the router or you click the tab format device, you will be connected to the console of the device. You can do the configuration. Again, this is virtual environment, no official layer troubleshoot. Okay. I will show you the complete topology later on. Again, there is any update to CCIE content, you will see it 6 months in advance. This is from Cisco Live. Yes, Bruno, let me use this drawing. Looks real, yes, true. It is real, not the current version. And the next slide, you can see the configuration section. This is the part where you have to touch 9 devices, 9 actual hardware, 5 routers and 4 switches, but 2 switches are considered as routers, and they are actually connected to some other routers that you cannot configure, that we call backbone. Your responsibility is for the 9 routers, the 9 devices. Same thing, you see questions and diagrams tab, you can see the configuration guideline. And remember, there is no more questions on paper. When I took my 3 CCIEs, I always receive a booklet of questions that I can open, I can remove the diagram, and put it in one side and put the question on the other side. This is no longer there. Okay. So now you have only the web interface. That's why for my usually I advise any CA candidates when you start the lab, the first thing you need to do is review the topology. Even if there web interface, unless you are comfortable working with the topology on your screen, I recommend to just spend a couple of minutes to redraw it. And when you redraw the topology, you will be more familiar with the network. You will know where you should figure the OSPF and EGRP, for example, and so on. This is the topology for the configuration. There will be a pre-configuration. So CCIE is trying to move the lower level skill like IP addressing, 9VTY and password out from lab. So this will be configured for you. But again, suggestion after you redraw the topology, if you want to make yourself familiar with the topology, the next thing you should do is to verify the pre-configuration. What happened to me in my CCIE security, the IP address configured in the back is completely different with the one in my question, the topology that I received in the question. So I went to the doctor and said, okay, completely wrong. And it took him about 15 minutes to load the right pre-configuration. And he didn't give me extra time, but for me, fine, I did it anyway. Okay. If you notice this In this slide, it's very interesting. You see, section 1.1 is troubleshooting layer 2 switching. I believe this is before we have the layer 2 IOU. So if you attend this CCIE routing switching lab, you might not get this because all the troubleshooting section should be all the troubleshooting questions should be in troubleshooting section. So you might not get the troubleshooting question at all in configuration. And CCIE program is very nice. You can see if you solve one fault, they give you 2 points, and if you solve two faults, they give you 4 points. That's nice because usually you don't get a pass-out score. Okay, I will show the protocol, complete topology for both troubleshooting and configuration level. This slide I took it from Cisco Live to introduce the official Cisco program, Cisco 60, to help you pass this routing and switching. I didn't use this, so I cannot give a complete review. But what I know, not only they give you workbook to practice, also give you a mentor or instructor, and they use same engine with the real CCIE to check your work. Okay, so if you join the program and you practice scenario from this program, they will grade your work, use the same engine they use for the actual app. And after the grading, the instructor or your mentor will explain to you your weakness and how to answer the questions properly. So I think that's the key component from this program. If you are interested, please go to Cisco website, find more information. Okay. If you're interested, I can answer your question related to 360. If you're interested, please go to the website. And of course, to mention Cisco Learning Network, if you are interested in CCIE or even in Cisco certification program, you should join the Cisco Learning Network. It has any information, official announcement from the program is posted here and Cisco CCIE website. So it's free to register. You should do it if you haven't done it. And the other resource that you can use for preparation is Cisco Live. It used to call Networkers Live. So Cisco Live or Network event is a special event. Only 5 or 6 events per year. And they do it last time in Melbourne, and this summer will be in Las Vegas, for example, and then in different places. So it's very rare opportunity for you to go attend it, to meet many Cisco people. They explain about probably the latest technology or deep dive discussing some particular technology. One of it is CCIE routing and switch. If for some reason you cannot travel to attend the event, I recommend to join the Cisco Live website. You become a premier member by paying some fee, probably $300. You will be able to get the slide and recorded session. I think it's a good deal. Which one is better between Internet Expert and IP Expert? No comment. Cisco 360, not only troubleshooting. For Cisco Live, where they have this CCIE routing switching lab, you need to check I think you can do it from this website. But usually they have at least for written, yeah. And also there is beta testing they do in this event. Okay. This is live presentation is useful not only for CCA preparation, but also help you during your personal life. Okay, please visit the website to know more.